Okay, so I'd like him to just start out by saying his name and his age and where he's from.
Coba cakap namamu dulu, lepas tu kau punya umur berapa, sama dari mana kau asalmu dari mana.
Umurku 35, asalku di Filipina.
Okay, he said his name is Juby and he is now 35 years old and he's from Philippines.
Where do most the Bajau people originate from? Where do they come from?
Dari mana biasa orang pelajar, dari mana asal turun, di mana yang ramai dapat jumpa atau di
Siasi.
The Bajau, they said there's more population on the southern Philippines, Mindanao, and there's a small island called Siasi.
How long have you been diving, Joby?
Berapa lama sudah kau buat menyelam?
15 tahun.
It was 15 years he was do this job.
At what age? I know we can do the math, but at what age did he first start diving?
Bila kau punya yang first umurmu yang kau start menyelam? Umurmu berapa? Yang kau start sudah buat kerja menyelam? Dari 15
tahun. 13 tahun.
Umurmu 13 tahun.
Have him look at the camera and say it.
Gak usah.
Ini anak mama umurku 40 tahun.
He said he was following his father when he was 15 years old.
At what time of the day do you start your day as far as going into the sea and preparing to go fish?
Bila kau biasa pagi itu kan jam berapa kau mula kasih ready kau punya barang-barang kah? Kau start pagi kah? Jam berapa kah?
Start kami yang dua barang bisa nom si salah satu itu nom lagi atau lagi berapa. Kadang-kadang bisa dua, bisa telur.
He said around 6 o'clock they already prepare all the things that they need to bring during the diving, and around 7 or 8 o'clock they will start to go, and before 2 or 3 o'clock late in the afternoon they will go back.
Oh, so they dive twice a day.
Yes.
What are you typically looking for on when you go diving? Is there specific food that you're looking for?
Apa yang kamu cari waktu kamu buat diving? Waktu kamu menyelam kan apa kamu cari? Patka, seafood, apa?
Kami yang obat. Tua kami karai pangumpa.
Ada seafood.
Ya ada kami ya kahanga.
Apa lagi?
Sina banyak nombor banyak kanda kamun nonton.
They said they were looking for the sea cucumber, some shell, and if they have like a small fish, they will use that for a bite to fishing.
When you're diving and you're looking for foraging for food, how deep do you usually go on an average?
Berapa dalam biasa kamu pergi kalau kamu mencari macam sticky cucumber? Macam kamu menyelamkan berapa dalam kau biasa?
Biasa kami salah sampo depan, sampo depan di siang depan.
10 depan itu macam 20 meter. Pakai skin shot diving atau pakai
Biasa.
Oh, okay. He said they will do the dive about 15 to 20 meters.
15 to 20 minutes
Yeah.
of
15-20 meters down, and they will go up again to look for anything that they can collect.
yeah. Can you have him walk me through a typical day from beginning all the way to where they go to sleep, and you know where they sleep also? Just from the very beginning, you wake up in the morning, everything. Just run with it until the end of the day.
Apa kau biasa buat yang hari-hari kau punya kerja harian dari start kamu bangun pagi sampai kamu tidur? Apa kau mancing, kau cari seafood, lepas itu tengah hari kau balik, apa yang kau buat?
Bola,
Pas jam 6 kamu start bangun,
bangun,
menyelam,
dengan dua barang, bangka, di sini, pausan minum, pulang. Pulang kaus, usi, hari tahu, nasi, bangan eka, ambule awak.
pasti yang hasil tangkapan itu
Yang nabuah kami di pos,
di mana?
sana di sana, di sudah. Oke,
Terus itu balik.
balik, si Bangania, pulang.
Lepas itu malam apa yang kamu buat
Nah, tangom, tuli.
sebelum tidur tuh?
Nah, sebelum itu tuh mencari tuli, nah suli-suli, gara di ingga kita, roti ingga.
He said normally they usually do they will wake up in the morning at 6 and they will prepare everything that they want to use to go free dive to look for all the seafoods they need to look it, and 7 to 8 o'clock they will depart, and about about 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon they will go back, and then if they collect some fish or some sea cucumber or some shell, they will bring it to there's a man called Haji Booking. They buy all the seafood, they sell it, and after that they will go back around maybe 4 or 5 o'clock, and during that time they will maybe chat to the friend, or they're playing some volleyball or football, and after that they will take shower, and around 6-7 o'clock they will take dinner, and after dinner they will also talk to each family, the Bajo family, to plan what they're gonna do the next day in the morning.
When the food that's within the whole community, whatever food is caught, is it shared like communally with everybody, or is it just each family for themselves?
Biasa kalau kamu dapat pembelian apa-apa pembelian dari seafood, biasa kalau kamu beli makanan, kamu share with, kamu bagi-bagi sama yang lain pada laut, atau untuk keluarga kamu, apa yang kamu dapat kamu untuk keluarga kamu.
Nah, untuk makan keluarga kami mau
Yang lain-lain berjauh tidak, tidak, hanya kamu punya keluarga kamu saja. He said if they like collect any seafood and they sell it, they they buy some food and they will share with their own family relatives, the close relatives only. And in case if they have like if they have more, they will just put on the subwoofer on the house for the next day.
They sleep on the boats. Is that? Or can you ask me if that's where they sleep at night? They sleep on the boats. You know, they spend their life on the boats.
Biasa kamu bajau yang sleep, yang tidur di boat kah atau yang tidur di rumah?
Kami memang tuli rumah.
He said the bajau they sleep on the house, but there's also another bajau laut. They call it the sea gypsies. Normally, this kind of bajau they rather stay on the boat.
Regarding diet, do you think that it is their diet or that helps them with their ability to hold their breath so long, or is it just that they start from so young?
Macam mana kamu boleh macam mana kamu boleh tahan dalam laut waktu kamu menyelam tu? Sama ada kamu kontrol makan kah atau memang dari kecil dari kamu memang begitu?
Bukan makan. Sebab kalau bangkalnya bakar turun pergi.
Jadi ada juga dari makanan lah.
Ada.
Sama dari kecil juga ada. He said you need to control your. It's also you need to control by your eating, by your food that you eat. Because if you eat too much, you cannot do the free dive because sometimes it's gonna be a problem with your stomach, and also because of they start from younger age and until now they're used to it.
What does he think about scuba divers? Like us, you know, we go out, we have to breathe off of a regulator and all that. What's his opinion on just regular scuba divers?
Apa pendapatmu tentang yang scuba diving, macam mau menyelam kah, diving kah?
Berapa tahun diving?
Apa kau punya pandangan? Mungkin kau mau buat mungkin kau mau try kah, menyelam kah, kau menggunakan yang diving ini untuk cari makanan ke dalam laut, atau kau biasa buat free dive?
Biasa aja kan, bahkan yang pakai diving.
He said he not used to use all the diving equipment to go dive. He used to like just a free dive to go diving, and he said everything that about diving equipment is too expensive for them, so they only do like a free dive.
He had just on one foot he had a board that he used to kick down. Can he talk about that? What's it used for?
Kenapa kau pakai yang itu tadi kita buat pintu kan? Kenapa satu saja?
Enggak tanam.
Jadi memang kau biasa satu saja lah. Jadi yang kayu itu kau buat sendiri di sini. Dengan kayu. Kau tengok di setiap kali kau ucap kau tengok di kamera. Dia macam mana kenapa kau pakai itu yang satu kaki sih? Tengok kamera.
Tanam kami kayu pinasang. Ini kau. Aku usung.
He said he used to use only one fin, because if they use both, he cannot kick very well, and it's not strong. So only one foot, one fin, it's okay. And this fin is made from wood, and they made their own fin and on wood to make that one.
Are you only from this area, or have you traveled to other areas as well?
Kamu punya asal memang dari Mabul atau kamu tinggi juga macam Filipina, kamu ada keluarga juga di sana?
Asal ini anak naku mamapul, si pengalian cara kainangan di Filipin, kirikan di Filipin.
Okay, he said he was born here at Mabul, but they have also some family, some relatives in Philippines, and he said if there's any like a family reunion or marriage, they will go back to Philippines to visit them.
How do they travel? How do they travel back and forth?
Macam mana kamu pergi Philippines, naik boat biasa kah, atau yang pakai engine kah, atau boat yang ada kah, yang layar kah?
Pakai ini, pakai makina, bangka.
Berapa lama kamu sampai?
Ada sagaralau patungak pengakan aja.
1,5 hari atau setengah hari? 1 hari lah, ya. 1 hari. Di mana tempat?
Biasa. Biasa.
Okay. They use like a small boat to go back to Philippines, and he said it takes about 1 day to reach the hometown on Siasi.
What's the deepest that he's gone down to dive?
Berapa paling dalam yang kau pernah buat? Iya.
Sangku ke ruak kalau enggak.
Apa tepat? Ya. Dalam 24 meter. Oke. Berapa lama kau boleh stay?
Di sangat
Berapa lama kau boleh tahan dalam 12 tempat?
10 saat, sangku saat.
He said about 12 meter. He said about he said about 24 meters he can do diving to the bottom, and he can stay around 20 to 30 seconds around that depth.
What's a scary moment that's happened to him while him or his friends out, his family out there diving? Something scary that has happened.
Apa yang pernah kejadian yang kau alami, macam ada masalah ke waktu kau menyelam?
Tainga ko pati. Sebagai terpot. Paluak balik.
Apalagi yang paling menakutkan, ada kamu kena apakah
Katawan kayo mga limpa. Ya pariada kan.
jadi pernah juga kamu kena?
Pernah juga tapi jauh. Tapi kami takut lah kami. Takut lah kami. Maka dia akan kami.
Oh, okay. The scary moment that they being experienced is when they do free dive. There's a fish bombing, but it's not near the place when they do diving. But because of the sound, they travel so fast, and they will like a shock, and they will go up. And also the second experience is about their ear. They really take care about their equalizer.
So the fish bombing, you mean they'll like set explosives?
Yes,
Okay, they set explosives
Yeah.
and to kill fish,
yes,
but that shockwave
yes.
is there. Okay. Yeah. So that's you know the sound travels up to like 5 times faster than the water. Yeah. That's a shockwave.
Yeah.
So with the I guess is he aware that physiologically they are different from us in that their spleens are 50% bigger than ours. So if our spleen is
Yeah.
like this, theirs are like this.
Oh,
And when they go down to dive, human reflex from being underwater, it's called the mammalian reflex. When they go down to dive, it causes their spleen to contract. And when it contracts, it sends more oxygenated blood, more blood into their circulation. So it helps them to it's like their body has adapted to holding their breath longer than the rest of us that walk around on the
Yeah.
land. Is he aware of that difference?
Pernahkah kamu rasa yang kamu punya what do you call it?
Spleen.
Split,
Spleen.
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 Oh, okay. Kamu punya tulang rusuk nih kan? Ya, kamu punya lebih panjang lagi daripada yang biasa kami. Jadi oleh karena itu, kamu boleh stay lama waktu kamu free dive. Sebab kamu punya kamu punya spleen itu kan dia boleh udara darah itu dia boleh circulate pusing sana lebih lama. Jadi kamu boleh stay lama. Kamu sedar itu kamu punya atau kamu tidak pernah? He said he's never realized that they have their own bigger spleen with the others.
They've adapted. Over 1,000 years, they've adapted.
Yes.
Their body has changed for life on the sea. So even though, he's not a sea gypsy, but he is still Bajau.
Yes.
So because genetically he still has a bigger spleen than the rest of us. And then the sea gypsies, they have an even bigger spleen. You know, and it's basically your blood carries oxygen. You know, through respiration, you feed your cells the oxygen. But when there's no more oxygen, that blood comes back up to your lungs, and then it collects more oxygen to take back to the rest of your body. And it collects it by you breathing in and out. So he can hold his breath, and when he would need to come and get more, his blood doesn't have any more oxygen in it. His spleen squeezes more oxygenated blood into his circulation, which is pretty
Amazing.
it's amazing. It is really amazing. Are there any like my dad grew up telling me stories about the olden days, and what they did back in the day, and they walked up mountains and everything else to get to school and all that other stuff. So are there any sea stories that he has that were told from his father or his grandfather?
Ada macam cerita-cerita daripada bapak muka, cerita-cerita dulu yang pernah dia kasih cerita tentang kehidupannya yang masa lalu, macam mana dorong usaha gitu. Ada macam cerita-cerita dorong di laut, macam mana apa dorong buat, atau macam mana dorong mau kasih teruskan hidup dorong macam cerita-cerita dulu-dulu lah. Kalau ada dari kamu punya keluarga, dari bapak kamu, yang kamu kan, apa cerita? Ada cerita yang ini pernah diceritakan oleh bapakmu? Hah? Kehidupannya dulu? Mana soal bapakmu? Oh, ada cerita yang tentang dia punya cerita-cerita dulu di Filipina, macam mana dia bekerja.
Nah, jadi memang usaha itu.
Ada dia cerita pasal kehidupannya dulu. Ada dia cerita. He said his father never tell him a story, maybe because of busy to to look for food for their family, so they don't have the time to.
Does he have any brothers and sisters? And
Ada.
do they die?
Ada abang muka atau kakak muka yang ikut kau diving, atau keluarga muka atau kau sendiri siapa?
Ada
Abang adikmu lelaki,
lagi
namanya
Renton.
ah,
Renton.
Renton. He said when he go diving, free dive, his younger brother, his name is Clinton, they will do buddy with him to do a free dive.
Has he seen? I don't know. I'm just gonna throw the question out there. Has he seen a movie Muro Ami? Yeah, Muro Ami, and it's a movie about the Bajau people. And in the movie, they talk about how the girls usually can't dive as long as the guys. So is that true? First of all, has he seen the movie, and is it true that women cannot dive as long?
Ada kau pernah tengok movie kah yang guru tajuknya Guru Ami yang tentang Bajau? Yang cerita ni kan dia mengatakan yang bajau laut yang perempuan tak boleh menyelam, sama dia tak boleh stay dan dia tak boleh lama menyelam berbanding lelaki. Betul?
Benar.
Kalau di sini kalau bajau laut perempuan yang kau pernah dong tak tahan daripada lelaki atau macam mana? Dong punya
Mbak tahan apa sebenarnya?
oh,
Kan biasa kami mau turun. Asal kami mau usaha di laut dan tak selalu belah.
oh okay. He said he never watched that movie, and he said normally only the guy of the family will do this job, the free dive job, and all the women they will stay at home to cook, and when they're coming they will eat together.
Is there anything that how do you prepare yourself for these long breath holds that they do when they're out diving? What do they do to prepare themselves lung-wise to go down and do the work?
Macam mana kau buat persiapan sebelum kau menyelam itu kan, apa yang kau buat? Kau tarik nafas kah dulu kah atau apakah?
Nah mesti ni lah nafas. Turun kan.
Berapa kali kamu
Jarang. Nah, bang
Tarik
Jani
nafas.
tarik nafas, bang oke na nafas, patuhun. Tarik. Mintel. Itu.
He said he will take like a 3 long breath before they do the free dive.
And I take it they don't do anything else to like work out or stay in shape. It's their day is. Do they do any of that to stay in shape, or do they just work?
Selain daripada yang tarik nafas tu, ada kau buat macam exercise kah? Jogging.
Kaya tahan nafas kami tunggu berpilih. Sana tahan.
He said he will do like a jogging to make his body strong before they do the free dive.
If would they prefer to dive the way that they do now, or if they were to get like equipment and scuba or whatever, which one would they prefer to do? Which one would be better for them?
Apa yang kau macam macam bersesuaian sama kamu buat hanya buat free dive siapa atau kamu mau pakai yang diving yang equipment kau untuk diving macam mana?
Ya,
Apa yang kau mau, apa kau lebih sesuai, free dive kah atau sama-sama diving equipment yang macam menyelam macam kami buat? Apa yang sesuai sama kau?
nah ka napati ni asangan tak kami alam.
Jadi kau lebih sesuai buat free dive siapa lah, yang menyelam situ kau yang itu siapa. Jadi macam mana kau macam mana pandanganmu sama yang diving?
Lain.
Ini pernah kau try?
Belum. Tapi aku memang rasa kali. Bila sayang anu mulai
Ah.
mal ni sama kami.
He said he'll prepare to do like a free dive rather than scuba diving. But he said if he have like a chance to do that, he want to try also, and he want to try how's the feeling to use that equipment during the dive.
It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Jovi. This is a first for me getting to meet the Bajau people, so it's special to be in this part of the world and get to know you, and your life. But,
Dia mau ucap terima kasih lah sebab dia pertama kali jumpa sama interview begini sama yang Bajau, jadi dia mau ucap terima kasih.
there's a lot that I think that we can learn.
Banyak yang dorong akan pelajari lah masa dorong kenal sama kau. Jadi mungkin masa depan di masa depan dorong akan mungkin datang lagi, mungkin dorong mau cari lagi kah yang bajau-bajau laut, dorong mau lebih kenali sama kau.
I think we've got it.